This particular conversion is a little bit harder, I guess. So typically what happens is that at some point you might have to deal with volume conversions. So let's see what happens in this case. I'm going to take, say, 25, just like I did previously in one of the other tutorials, except now I'm going to be dealing with centimeters cubed. So with this, okay, what I want to do is I want to convert this to something like liters. So both are clearly volume units. And now the only thing that I'll give you is that 1 liter is equal to 0.001 meters cubed. Okay, so notice that there's no centimeters here at all. So how do I deal with this question? Well, I can write down centimeters cubed, and what I'm going to do is I want to try to convert somehow to liters. Now, I may not know how to do that as a student. If you're stuck, well, keep in the back of your mind that what you have to do is you got to get rid of things that you don't want. Well, you clearly don't want to have centimeters cubed here. Okay, you want to go into liters. So that's one thing that you have to get rid of. Now, this thing, okay, turns out to be, whenever we write exponents on units, really, that's the meaning. We have centimeter times centimeter times centimeter. We have 3 of these. Okay, so we have 3 of those. So we're going to do something 3 times. Okay, you can either use exponents or you can cancel things 3 times. So now in this case, well, I don't want to have centimeters here. Okay, and now I can go from centimeters to meters. Now the reason why I want to go from centimeters to meters is because I noticed that, hey, I have meters here and I can somehow relate meters cubed to liters. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now, so students often remember this, but keep in mind that this, okay, we can't just write a 3 here. We would have to cube the entire result. So what I like to do is I like to say that, okay, well, if you've done it once, you've only canceled 1 of these. I still have to cancel these 2 more times, okay, because I have 3 of them here. So what I'll do is I'm going to repeat this. So I'm going to write centimeters again. So this one will cancel the second one. And then finally, we'll do it the 3rd time. And now this one will indeed now cancel 3 of these. So this is gone. So now I don't have any more centimeters, but I do have meters. And I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now I have meters cubed at the top here. So from here, this, okay, is 1 meter cubed. Because it's 1 times 1 times 1. And meter times meter times meter is meter cubed. So I have this thing at the top. Now, from meters cubed, notice I have that here, I can go into liters. So, I'm going to use my final conversion. I don't want to have meters cubed on top, so I'll put it right here at the bottom, and I know that this is 0.001. This will cancel this entire result, so 1, 2, 3, and this will give me liters on top. Okay, so now once you've done this, you can now do the full calculation and see what the result is. Okay, so here, well, instead of continuing, I'm going to just write the result here at the bottom. So I have basically 25 divided by 100, 100, 100, and 0.001. Okay, so I can do that in my head, or I'll show you. You can just plug it into the calculator. And in this case, we can do the full calculation all in one. Okay, so that is 0.025. Okay, so 0.025, and now it's liters. If you are asked for sig figs or any rounding, well, this already has 2 significant figures, just like this does. Okay, these again are all exact, so we're done. Okay, so that's how you go from centimeters cubed to liters. Okay, so this is another question of a possible conversion.